Aba National Drugs Authority barabwira barisangwa emibazi nyingi y'ebichupuri na munongo gwa tikoff ogu Pastor Robert Kayanja biri narangira omukanisa ye.
And Pastor Kayanja is on record announcing that he, together with his other accomplices, had come up with an incredible organic product that kills ticks instantly. Our teams engaged and met with Pastor Kayanja and his partners, Marvin Mukasa and Kirinton James, who owned up the product and claimed to have a team of scientists from Makerere University School of Veterinary Medicine who were the lead investigators. National Drug Authority reached out to the said teams who confessed that they had never worked or reviewed anything from Pastor Kayanja or any of his associates.
Aba National Drugs Authority bagira hakanisa ya Pastor Robert Kayanja kubahwera mu kuchondoza hamwe bazogu kunga baremerwa kumutunga wanyuma yo kuremera omukanisa.
But National Drug Authority, working with Uganda Police, impounded over 100 samples from his church here at Miracle Center at his reception and took them to both National Drug Authority laboratory and government chemist laboratories. All the samples tested positive of contamination with dangerous banned chemicals that include diazone, a highly concentrated fumigant used to kill bedbugs, bats and termites; phenolphthalein, a spray banned for food-producing animals because of the long withdrawal period due to the potential risk it has to human health.
Abantu barabara bari sokwetorori hango kwetantaro koreso mu bazogu kandi ahi baragure bibamanye ngune chiporo bagutwara ha police gashakwa na Good Fatuma.